Welcome back to our journey through Napoleon Hill's timeless classic, Think and Grow Rich. We've explored desire, faith, autosuggestion, specialized knowledge, and imagination. Today, we arrive at the sixth principle, the one that bridges the gap between your dreams and reality. This is the power of organized planning. Having a burning desire is essential, but it remains just a wish without a concrete plan for its achievement. Organized planning is the workshop where your intangible desires are forged into tangible action steps. It's about creating a definite, practical blueprint to guide you towards your goal. It requires you to think through the necessary steps and organize them logically. This principle teaches that you must form an alliance with others who can help you execute your plan. No one achieves great success entirely alone. Your plan must be flexible, ready to be adjusted as you learn and grow. The key is to start taking action on your plan immediately, even if it's not perfect. Without organized planning, your energy is scattered and your efforts lack direction. A clear plan provides focus and momentum, turning potential into progress. It transforms the abstract idea of success into a series of manageable tasks. This principle is the engine that drives your desire forward. Embrace the power of organized planning. Take your magnificent obsession, your definite chief aim, and map out the path to make it real. This sixth principle is your call to action. Plan your work, and then work your plan. Your future is waiting for you to build it, step by organized step.